Are you discouraged to start online marketing, or have you already started but you're discouraged? Okay, so today we're going to discuss the number one thing or reason that can keep you going. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And real quick, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so you get the notification whenever I post a video. And guys, you don't want to miss not even one of my video. You want to get them all, because somewhere out there it will reach either you or your friend or some family or something. Okay, so do you remember um, the reason you even got interested in online marketing, or the reason you started online marketing, or the reason you're looking on YouTube right now, get a hold of my video, uh, looking into online marketing? The only reason, or the main reason, you look into online marketing is your why, right? The why could be freedom. The why could be ensuring that your family, whether it be your sister, your brother, your mom, your dad, your husband, yourself, your why could be that, like for them not to work anymore, for them not to struggle anymore, right? There are multiple reasons, I'm sorry, there are multiple whys that you could have out there, but your whys, or your why, was the reason you look into online marketing or started online marketing in the first place, right? So when you're discouraged, because I do a video every day, guys, you can check it out. I do a video every day. And there are days when I'm like, there's some days when I'm really, really discouraged. There are days when I'm like, oh man, I wish I had already done a video, or, something to that effect, right? We're all humans here. We do get discouraged. We do get discouraged. But when I look at it, right, I say I want to retire 3 people. And that doesn't include myself, right? I am fine, and one out of the 3 is fine. But I said I want to retire 3 people. Now, retiring them means that if they want to stop working, they can stop. If they want to continue their 9 to 5, they can continue doing it. I just want to make that, or make that availability of them having that option, right? And on days when I get, just discouraged, just down, I can't be bothered, and so on and so forth, I look back at them and I said, get it together, get up, and get it done. Right? So I'm telling you, the days of, discouragement, the days of cannot be bothered, the days of, oh, I've had enough, the days of, oh, I'm not making any sale just yet, the days of what's taking sales so long, the days of overdraft accounts. Believe me, I've been to all of them. And I'm telling you, it just gets better. I'm telling you. I'm sitting here in front of the camera and letting you know that it gets better. I don't want you to give up. If you haven't started online marketing and you're thinking about it, hit my link down below in the description and try it out. Try it out, right? And if that doesn't work for you, well, try something else. But I guarantee you it will, as long as you use the steps that I put in my previous videos. If I can do it, guys, you can, right? This is all I do. I'm a soldier, right? But that's a choice. I think I will always be a soldier, right? I think just like online marketing, being a soldier is a lifestyle, right? And I enjoy what I do. So I don't think I'll ever leave the military until when I physically can't or something to that effect. But I enjoy being a soldier. Now, as we all know, it's not like a soldier pays a lot, right? So how am I able to afford the luxury that I want to live and the traveling and the whole 9 yards? How am I affording that? Online marketing. This is what takes care of my bills. This is what takes care of my lifestyle, right? So I'm not here to force anyone into online marketing because, as I said, it's not for everyone. Online marketing is not for everyone. But if you're serious about it and you're watching multiple videos and you drop on my video, go no further. Go no further. I challenge you to hit my link in the description, watch my other videos, and put into place all the steps that I told you about in order to make that money online. And I guarantee you, if you implement every last one to the T, there is nothing preventing you from affording that, whatever your why is, goal, right? Money is always, always, always the reason. Oh, I'm broke, yada, yada, yada. But you have a why. And that why, just think about it. Every day, you get up and you're about to do your task, whatever it is, whether it be watch another video into online marketing, or whether it be you see this video and you're like, you know what? I feel this video. I think I'm interested in giving this, female a chance, or interested in seeing what she's doing. Guys, I encourage you, if you're watching this video, hit the link in the bio. I'm sorry, in the description. You'll be happy you did. So that's where I'm stopping off here for today. As I said before, ensure if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, share the video, share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to whoever you think may need some form of encouragement. Share it out there. Leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like me to speak about in my future videos, and we'll see what we can do. Add me on Facebook. My link will be down below in the description also. Get on over there. It's a party over there. Every day it's a party. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. I do Instagram. I've done videos previously on how to monetize on Instagram. So if you're interested in following like my steps or how I go about doing it, I also provide my Instagram link down below in the description. Follow me and look at what I do. If you have any question on Instagram of how to monetize on Instagram, whether you're beginner or you're advanced, please shoot me a message. I'll be more than happy to help. You can shoot me a message in Facebook also, or here down below, leave me a comment. I go through my comments every day and I respond. Okay, so whichever entity or path you choose to go on, just ensure that you start the rest of your life today. Don't wait another minute. Hit the link in my description and start the rest of forever today. Don't delay it any longer. Okay? So thank you for hopping on, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.